Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lax and today I'll be showing you guys a couple of things that I got from Sephora. I got a couple of stuff from Sephora. They were having a sale and all the items that I got, they were 20% off for everything. So I kind of just stocked up on things that I already used and things that I wanted to try. All the things that I got are in this bag. It arrived like a week ago and I just wanted to film and show you guys what I got. So I got a bunch of different hair products from Sephora. I love buying shampoo and conditioner from Sephora just because they have so many different brands that I really want to try. So I got this shampoo and conditioner from this brand called Day. It was new on the website and I've never actually heard of this brand, but it had a lot of good reviews. So the packaging looks like this. And it just really looks really aesthetic. It smells really fruity and florally, so I feel like it's gonna be really refreshing every time I use it. So I'm really excited to try that. And I also got this ouai shampoo and conditioner for thick hair. I've only used their hair oil before and it was really good. And I know that this is a good hair product brand, so I'm really excited to try this one too. And I also restocked on a couple of things that I already used. So I got these two. This is Living Proof shampoo and conditioner. It smells really good. And I also have the hair mask and that works really great as well. I also got these two. It's shampoo and conditioner from Olaplex. And honestly, it's probably my favorite shampoo and conditioner combo just because it works really good. It makes my hair smoother and softer every time I use it. And I know it's on the pricier side, but I think it's definitely worth it. So I really recommend this product. I also got dry shampoo, so I don't really use dry shampoo that much, but this one's from Living Proof and this one's from Amika. This one I would say is probably the one that I use more than the Living Proof one, just because it's very light smelling and it doesn't hurt my nose whenever I spray it, and it just makes me feel more clean every time I use it. I got a couple of primers that I wanted to try, so the first one that I got is from Fenty. It's soft matte and it looks like this. I already know it's good just because it's Fenty, but the packaging looks like this and it's really sleek just like their other products. And then I got this one from Makeup Forever. It's the one in green. It's a color corrector, so I don't really have a primer that color corrects, so I'm really excited to try this one and it had good reviews online. And then I got this one from Too Faced. It's the Prime Poreless primer and my friend recommended this to me, so I'm really excited to try that. And then the last primer I got is Too Faced again. I really love this brand. All their products are so good. So this one's the Hangover primer and I have the setting spray version of it and it smells really good. So it looks like this. Really excited to try it just because I love their products and I don't have a primer from Too Faced yet. So I also bought a couple of things that I already used. So I got these two concealers. It's from Too Faced. It's a Born This Way concealer and it's in warm beige and sand. So I usually have one darker color and one lighter color. I don't really use foundation. That's why I kind of go through that one very quickly. And then I got this one. This is a brow pencil from Benefit. I've been using this for like 5 years now and I got it in shade 4.5. And my brows are really low maintenance just because I have a lot of brow hair, so I kind of just do the ends just to make it longer. And this is the one that I really like to use. And I also got this gel liner. It's from Bobbi Brown. I've been using this also for many years. So I normally don't wear this liner unless I'm going to a place where I know I'm gonna be sweaty. So for example, like if I'm going to a rave or a concert, I'm gonna double up with my liner. I'm gonna put this gel liner first. It's just plain black. And then over that, I'm gonna put my liquid liner just so it doesn't smudge easily. I also got a bunch of random stuff. So I got these two hand lotions. They're from L'Occitane. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not too sure. But I use this a lot. This one's lavender and this one's almond and it just smells really good. And then I also bought a bunch of different lip products. So the first one that I got is this Fenty lip balm. And then this one is the Fenty lip scrub. I saw this set on Sephora and I was just curious, so I just wanted to try it out. And then I also got this Glow Recipe Watermelon Lip Pop. So it looks like this. The packaging is really cute and Glow Recipe always has like a bunch of different products that smell really good. So it just looks like this. Love that color already. Really excited to try that one. I also got this lip treatment from Fresh. It has SPF 15 and I always use this. I don't know why they sent me 2 products, just because I feel like I put 1 in my cart, but I'm not complaining because I literally use this every day. So I also got this lip oil from Jouer. It came in this box, and this is my first time buying from this brand. I know it's a good brand, but I've actually never tried lip oil, so I think it's an in-between of lip balm and lip gloss. So let me try it right now. It doesn't really smell like anything, but that's pretty good. It's very hydrating. I love already. Also got a couple of skincare products that was recommended to me by my friends, and I also wanted to try. So the first one that I got came in this little bag. It is the Drunk Elephant trial kit thing. So Drunk Elephant is a brand that's kind of on the pricier side, so I wanted to try the mini ones first, just so I would see if I like it or not. So it comes with all of these. So it has the hydrating serum, vitamin C serum, glycolic night serum, and also the eye cream. And then it also has this jelly cleanser, moisturizer, protein cream, and also the oil. So Drunk Elephant products are pretty pricey. That's why I kind of wanted to try the smaller ones first, but a lot of people told me that this oil is really good to use after using the baby facial. So I got the regular size of the baby facial, and I actually tried it last night and it was really, really good. It made my skin really, really soft after I used it. It is on the pricier side. I believe that I got this for $80, but you're only supposed to use it once a week, and I feel like it's pretty worth it. So I'm really excited to be using this a lot. I also got the jet lag mask from Summer Fridays. A lot of people have been telling me about this, and it's just for hydration, so I'm really excited to use it. And I got this mask from caudalie. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I've used this mask before, and it's the instant detox mask, and it's really, really good. It makes my skin feel really clean every time I use it. I got this eye cream. I'm not sure how to pronounce this brand. I don't want to butcher it, but it came in this little box. I normally use the Kiehl's avocado eye cream, so I really wanted to try something out. It just looks like this. It smells really healthy too, so I'm excited to try that, and hopefully it works and brightens up my eyes. I also got this toner. It's from Fresh. It's the rose toner, and it smells really, really good. And the last thing that I got is this serum. I've never used the Ordinary products. I'm really excited to try this because I know a lot of people like the Ordinary products just because they're very simple and it's pretty cheap too, and it works. So I'm really excited for that. So those were all the things that I got from Sephora. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next time.